Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious Desi kitchen Gulab Jamun. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of milk powder, 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, and a pinch of baking soda. Don't forget 2 tablespoons of ghee for the dough. For the fragrant syrup, prepare 2 cups of sugar, 1 cup of water, a few cardamom pods, and a splash of rose water. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Now, let's create the perfect dough. In a mixing bowl, combine your milk powder, all-purpose flour, and baking soda. Next, gently incorporate 2 tablespoons of melted ghee until the mixture resembles coarse crumbs. Gradually add milk, about 1 tablespoon at a time, until a soft, pliable dough forms. Remember to knead it lightly for just about 2 minutes. Overworking can make the jamuns tough, so be gentle. With your dough ready, it's time to shape and fry. Divide the dough into small, equal-sized portions, roughly 1 inch in diameter. Roll each piece between your palms to form smooth, crack-free balls. Heat oil or ghee in a deep pan over medium-low heat. This low temperature is crucial for even cooking. Carefully drop the jamuns into the hot oil and fry them, turning occasionally, until they achieve a beautiful golden brown color on all sides. While your jamuns are frying, let's prepare the aromatic sugar syrup. In a separate pot, combine 2 cups of sugar, 1 cup of water, and the cardamom pods. Bring this mixture to a boil, then reduce the heat and simmer for about 5 minutes until it's slightly sticky. Once your jamuns are golden brown, immediately transfer them from the hot oil directly into the warm syrup. Allow them to soak for at least 2 hours to absorb all that wonderful sweetness.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.